what? If you are given x kilometer per hour, that basically means it is given, not given in SI system. SI system में क्या होना चाहिए? मीटर पर सेकेंड होना चाहिए. मीटर पर सेकेंड करने के लिए what do I have to do? x into kilometer मीटर. किलोमीटर और मीटर का कन्वर्जन क्या है? 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters and 1 hour is equal to 60 into 60. 3600. Okay. 60 into 60 seconds. So x into 1000 divided per hour is divided by 60 into 60. So that means will be meter per second, in meter per second. So that is x into 0 cancel हो गया, बचा क्या? 10 upon 36 meter per second, which is equal to x into 5 by 18 meter per second. You can directly convert kilometer per hour into meter per second by multiplying it by 5 by 18. But if you have kilometer per second, then you can't apply all this. Kilometer per hour and meter per second का conversion है ये, और कुछ भी नहीं. किलोमीटर पर मिनट होगा तो भी नहीं चलेगा, किलोमीटर पर आवर होगा तो भी नहीं चलेगा, ओनली किलोमीटर पर आवर. अंडरस्टूड? क्या?
तो ऐसे कुछ और आ गया किलोमीटर पर.
तो यूज करो ना अपना दिमाग. अगर x मीटर पर आवर आया, मीटर पर आवर, then what will you do? मीटर तो मीटर ही रहेगा. r क्या होगा? 16 to 16. So whatever is your value will be divided by 3600. Come on यार.
20 है ना?
20. किसका आंसर 20 आया?
20 मीटर पर सेकंड कन्वर्ट किया.
हाँ.
Can you repeat the rest of the part?
Find force achieved by the car and the distance covered by the car. Force and distance. चलो जल्दी से सॉल्व करो. All given should be written one after the other. Naisha, tell me what are the given values. Tell me what is the velocity? Which is how much? In meter per second. What else is given? Time is how much?
20 seconds.
What else is given?
The mass of the car.
Mass is how much?
1000.
1000 kg.
80 square है, 80 the whole square.
80 square.
T
T
square
is given. What else is given? What else is given? Car is initially at rest. So what is u? Initial velocity. Initial rest में है तो u क्या होगा? जोर से बोलो. Initially at rest मतलब initial velocity क्या होगा? तुम rest में हो, तुम्हारा velocity क्या है? तो बोलो जोर से. So u is equal to 0. That also we know. Correct? Anyone who has any questions, look at the board now. Your time is up.
मैम got it.
मैम डिस्टेंस में
आंसर आ गया.
आ गया? Very good. All right. Initial velocity of the car we have. Final velocity of the car we have. आरव समझ में आया? तुझे आ गया आंसर? Good. First thing, what will we find? Right. First thing, what are we going to find? We have v acceleration. कैसे निकलेगा? Acceleration is what?
V minus log of v.
That is equal to 20 minus 0 upon 20. So how much is that? 1 what? Meter per second. Acceleration is? So acceleration मिल गया? Now, what do we need to find first? The force applied by the car. Force is what? Force is what? Force is what? So force will be how much? Bolo? A is 1. So force is equal to how much? 1000? This is my answer 1. Next. What do we have to find next?
Distance.
Distance is what? S. We have v ut. Immediately apply equation of motion. S is equal to ut plus half of at square. So what do we need? S we need. U is 0 into T plus half into A is 1 and T is how much? 20 seconds, that means 20 square. So S is equal to
0.
20 square upon 20.
0 कैसे हो गया?
And
हाँ, 10
zero ना?
200 कितना में 200 मीटर है ना?
हाँ, 20
into 20 ये कहाँ से गया? 0 आया कैसे?
अच्छा वो 0 है.
ये 0 है, ठीक है.
Upon 2.
Therefore, S is equal to
200.
200 meters. This is my answer. Got it?
Yes.
Clear? Everyone, don't
Are
copy
you-
it blindly.
Are you
Nine.
different formula?
Do whatever you want. Did you get the answer or not? That's all I care about. Whatever formula you have used, you should arrive at the answer. You use V square minus U square वाला formula. Next. Do not everyone try by yourself. हाँ, this is the time to test your own sense. देख के कर लोगे तो क्या ही फर्क पड़ता है, कर ही लो. देखने को तो मिलने वाला है नहीं एग्जाम में, फिर क्या करोगे? A force of 60 newtons acts on a body of mass 10 kg. A force of 60 newtons acts on a body of mass 10 kg initially at rest,
Yes.
such that it gains a velocity of 24 meter per second. Such that it gains a velocity of 24 meter per second. Find the following. 4 things you have to find. Initial momentum.
What?
Initial momentum. What do you need, beta? Question. A force of 60 newtons acts on a body of mass 10 kg initially at rest, such that it gains a velocity of 24 meter per second. मिला? Fine. Initial momentum. Initial momentum क्या होता है? अनीश बोल. Initial momentum का क्या होता है फॉर्मूला?
V is equal to MV.
mv होगा initial momentum.
MV.
MU.
MU.
Final momentum. Second thing you have to find is final momentum.
Initial momentum ढूंढना है.
You have to find initial momentum. Initial momentum लिखो P1 या PU, such that it gains a velocity of 24 meter per second. आप पूरा क्वेश्चन लिखना मत जाओ. Always write given. Given values. हाँ.
PU और PP ढूंढना है.
PU, PV, you have to find change in momentum. Initial momentum, final momentum, change in momentum, and time required to gain the momentum. क्या हुआ?
हाँ क्या करना
आप बैठ के सुन क्यों रहे हो?
अरे माँ मैंने लिखा है।
Initial momentum, final momentum,
Velocity के बारे में।
हाँ fine बस इतना ही है. Fine. Initial momentum, final momentum, change in momentum, time required to gain that momentum. So your given values will be what? Write that first. Always write everything. Body starts from rest means U is equal to 0. Body comes to a halt means V is equal to 0. हमेशा ये याद रखना. Body will start from rest मतलब V is equal to U is equal to initial velocity 0 है और body comes to rest मतलब final velocity 0 है. ये आपको पता होना चाहिए. तक डेल्टा P तक निकला कि नहीं?
हाँ.
नहीं तेरा वो आया डेल्टा P. डेल्टा P तक
नहीं, delta P-
गिवन क्या है? जल्दी से बता मुझे दर्श. गिवन
F is equal to 60 kg. M is equal to 10 kg. U is equal to 0. V is equal to 24 meter per second.
These are the factors that are given to us.
Yes.
Now mu, we have to find mu. Mu is equal to what? Initial. Sorry, we have to find initial momentum. Initial momentum is the momentum of the body at the initial point, which means m into u. That means 10 into 0. That is 0. Correct. Second, we have to find final momentum. Final P, that will be mass into final velocity, that will be 10 into 24, that is equal to 240 kg meter per second. Kg meter per second writing is very important. Next we come to third. Delta P. Delta P what do we know as? Change sorry, mass into rate of change, sorry, change in velocity, rate of change. Mass into change in velocity, correct? Which means mass is how much? 10. Change in velocity how much? V minus u, that is 24 minus 0. That is 240 delta P is equal to 240 kg meter per second. Correct? Everyone clear till here?
Yes.
Now, fourth thing that we have to find is, we have to find the time taken. Now, what is our formula for force? Force is equal to delta P by T. Can we see here? Force is equal to delta P by T. So, can I say 60 is equal to, have we used the concept of force in any of these yet? Force इसीलिए दिया है आपको, so that you use the formula. 60 is equal to delta P is 240 upon time. समझ में आया आराम अभी? हाँ, so T is equal to how much? 240 upon 60, that is equal to 4 second. Answer E. 4. Got it? Got it? Got it? Solve करो. हो गया?
बट मैम मैंने F is equal to ma लेके टाइप भूल गया.
कैसे?
जैसे भी निकालना है, आंसर आया कि नहीं?
हाँ.
I don't care.
4 सेकंड ना.
I don't care.
मैं दर्श का मेरे को कोई समझ नहीं.
इक्वल टू एमएलए के टाइम से भूलूंगा.
वही तो.
Force is equal to ma अगर दिया, V by ma कैसे
P
मिला?
minus u upon T.
T कहाँ से मिला तेरे को?
वही तो.
हाँ, force is equal to
Force क्या बना?
m v minus u upon t. D भी पता है, u भी पता है, m भी पता है, f भी पता है. T मिल गया. वो भी निकाल सकते हैं. But force is that this is
बट
also.
ये इक्वेशन छोटा है, सिंपल.
हाँ, जैसा तरीका भाई, there is not one way of solving kinetic problems.
What time taken what do you use?
जोर से बोलो.
For time taken what do you use?
For time taken, see, I found delta p na in my third part. I know force, so I can find time. Only one unknown variable is there, na? So we can always find time. Okay? Understood? So solve it by yourself, you understand? No, you are not going anywhere. I don't care about it. Do you look like I care about it? टूर्नामेंट कुछ पढ़ाई नहीं करोगे, टूर्नामेंट कैसे होगा? Correct. Next. Now we will do free fall. See, you will not attend the class. You will not study at home. You are just, you are just incorrigible. I am very disappointed. You studied the night, you come and copy. Next. Everyone done? श्रुति समझ में आया अभी? सी कैसे निकला, कितना आया? 4. Very good. 4 नहीं, 4 second. All right. Next up. Continue से कर. A body of mass 10 kg. Okay, don't do this. Wait. Who is that? A car moving with a uniform velocity of 30 meter per second. A car is moving with a uniform velocity of 30 meter per second. Is stopped in 2 seconds. Is stopped. श्रुति लिखना शुरू करो. A car is moving with a uniform velocity of 30 meter per second. It stops in 2 seconds by applying a force of 1500 Newton. It stops in 2 seconds by applying a force of 1500 Newton. By applying brakes. Okay? Calculate the change in momentum and the retardation produced. चलो solve करो. Calculate the change in momentum.
रिटार्डेशन को ए
By applying the force of 1500 Newton.
मैं रिटार्डेशन के लिए क्या सिंबल लिखूं?
Retardation के लिए A लिखो. But always minus में लिखो.
अच्छा, मैं चेंज मोमेंटम डेल्टा से.
F is equal to
Calculate the change in momentum of the car and retardation produced in the car. श्रुति लिखा आपने बेटा? Very good. Start solving. F is equal to 1500 Newton. Uniform velocity is 30 meter per second. मास नहीं दिया है. मास का जरूरत भी नहीं है मोमेंटम को कैलकुलेट करने के लिए. अरे सॉरी मास,
है।
हाँ मास यू नीड, वेट नहीं, नॉट नीडेड, नॉट नीडेड, मिलेगा. I'll repeat the whole question. A car is moving with a uniform velocity of 30 meter, shush, 30 meter per second. It is stopped in 2 seconds by applying a force of 1500 Newton. देखो, कोई भी देखेगा नहीं, खुद से ट्राई करो. This is not a competition. नहीं आया तो समझ में तो आएगा कि आपको आया नहीं. इधर उधर देख के कर दोगे फिर कभी भी नहीं आएगा आपको. Please be sincere to yourself. A car is moving with a uniform velocity of 30 meter per second. It is stopped at 2 seconds by applying a force of 1500 Newton.
kg में होगा ना, kg मीटर पर सेकंड.
हाँ. Calculate the change in momentum of the car and the retardation produced. चलो.
So मैम इधर U30 होगा and V0 होगा, correct? Because it is stopped.
When a body comes to a halt, V becomes 0. That's why there is a retardation. Speed पकड़ेगा तो retardation कैसे होगा? वो तो acceleration हो गया.
मैम retardation equation तो क्वेश्चन से निकाल सकते हैं.
हर किस चीज से निकालना है निकालो. There is no one way of solving the sum. There are thousands of ways of approaching the sum. Do whichever way you are comfortable with. Equation of motion से निकालो. You take it out with your equations which are here. Force का equation से निकालो, momentum से निकालो, whichever you like. So what is our given? I am giving you 5 minutes to solve this. सबसे पहले given लिखोगे. You solve this sum and go. हाँ, क्या क्या given है बेटा बोल. क्या क्या given है बोलो. श्रुति, tell me what are my given.
तो given लिखा.
नाम हो
To
गया.
find.
Velocity will be 30 meter per second.
So which velocity? Don't say velocity.
Find क्या है?
मास चाहिए
यूनिफॉर्म होगा. डेल्टा p.
Find the momentum. Momentum or
डेल्टा भी अपॉन
Change in momentum.
change in momentum.
And
One second, बेटा, one second.
कर सकते हैं.
Can you be quiet, please? Keep quiet. You are not finding my question. हाँ.
मामा कितने का है?
You want to leave? You can leave. हाँ. Yeah. Tell me, what is my given?
V is equal to 30.
Car is moving with a certain velocity, then it comes to a halt. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ?
V is equal to 0 meter per second.
समझ में आ रहा है सबको? Why is V 0? And tell me what else is given? Louder, Shruti.
U is equal to 30 meter per second.
What else is given?
Force is given. F equal to 1500 Newton.
Anything else is given to us?
And ma'am 2 seconds. Time is
T is equal to
2 seconds.
2 seconds. To find what do we have to find? We have to find delta P and we have to find retardation.
Ma'am for delta we can do delta P upon T equal to F.
Correct. Because T is given, F is given, you need to find delta P. Immediately you will get an answer. So what do we know? We know delta P upon T is equal to F. Therefore, F is equal to, therefore delta P is equal to 1500 into 2. That is equal to 3000 kg meter per second. This is my answer 1.
कितना आसान होगा?
Alright. Next, what do we have to find? Retardation. Retardation कैसे निकालेंगे हम लोग?
V equal to U plus A.
V is equal to U plus AT is our first equation of motion. We know V, we know U, we know T. Let's substitute the values.
मैम डायरेक्टली लिख सकते हैं A is equal to V minus U upon T.
वो डायरेक्ट नहीं है, वो भी एक इक्वेशन ही है.
हाँ,
सब एक
लिख
से
सकते हैं,
डिराइव्ड है. आपको जैसे लिखना है लिखो. I told you you are allowed to write anything as long as it is correct. U is 30 plus A into time is 2. So minus 30 by 30 इधर चला गया, तो minus हो गया. This minus sign means the body is retarding. Okay, minus 30 is equal to 2A. So A is equal to minus 15 meter per second square. Answer what we will write. Very important, everyone please note. Answer will be, therefore the retardation is of 50 मीटर पर सेकेंड। रिटार्डेशन लिख दिया ना, इसका मतलब है माइनस साइन को उसने खा लिया। If you write acceleration, therefore the acceleration is, अगर लिखा, then you will write minus 15 meter per second. लेकिन if you write the retardation is, it is given that it has to be a minus sign. Understood? Have you completed this one? Completed? पूरा आंसर है? समझ में आया? Retention.
Retardation.
Next sum.
मैम
Question 7.
अगर आंसर में एक्सेलरेशन लिखे तो -15 मीटर पर सेकंड।
Acceleration अगर लिखा ना यहाँ पे, then you have to write minus 15. Retardation लिखोगे तो सिर्फ plus 15 लिखोगे. Retardation consumes the negative sign. Very important. Okay? Understood? They have specifically asked write the retardation. So you will write retardation is 15 meter per second. Retardation is minus of acceleration. मतलब minus of minus 15 कितना हुआ? Plus 15. Very important. These signages are
और
very
अगर
important.
acceleration सिर्फ 15 है तो retardation will be -15.
वो नहीं होता है. वो we don't do that. Logically yes.
Now to the way we retardation to the acceleration.